For independent learners, the biggest enemy isn't a lack of information, it's a lack of engagement. It's incredibly easy to buy a massive online course, fall asleep to a passive video lecture, and drop the habit entirely within a week. If you want to master deep technical skills on your own, you need a completely different approach. This is why Brilliant.org is so heavily discussed in self-learning spaces. By completely banning video, it forces you to learn actively. But does it actually deliver real logical intuition, or should you spend your budget elsewhere? Let's audit if it fits your exact personal workflow. The core strength. The independent habit loop. The hardest part of self-learning is consistency. Brilliant handles this flawlessly by designing its system for micro-learning, breaking advanced STEM fields down into 15-minute, hands-on puzzles. It completely removes the intimidating friction of traditional textbooks, letting you build a daily habit without experiencing screen fatigue. The private guide, Socratic AI coaching. When you study alone, getting stuck usually means quitting. In 2026, Brilliant solves this with Kojidare AI Tutor. Instead of just giving the answer, it prompts you with targeted, guided questions. The memory engine, visual active recall. Traditional binging leaves you with an illusion of competence. You forget 90% of the info within days. Brilliant forces immediate active recall. Because you physically interact with graph lines and logic blocks, the platform activates your spatial memory. But let's look at the raw trade-offs. First, Brilliant does not provide accredited university certificates or career-ready credentials. If you need a formal piece of paper to paste on your LinkedIn profile to pass a corporate HR gatekeeper, this platform will fail you. Second, the content scope is strictly technical. It covers algorithm trees, data structures, and foundational calculus beautifully. But if your self-learning goals include corporate accounting, foreign languages, or creative writing, this catalog has absolutely zero answers for you. So should you use it? If you want accredited degrees or heavy text-heavy academic proofs, skip it. But if your goal is to build an unshakable daily habit of critical thinking and master programming logic, it is an incredible tool. Buy the thinking habit, not the digital badge. If this evaluation helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more honest tech audits. Thanks for watching.